What's up YouTube, welcome to another video. Samsung is due to launch a new flagship later this year, and that would be Galaxy Note 20 series. Couple of leaks has been surfaced over the internet regarding Galaxy Note 20, and that happened soon after the launch of Galaxy S20 series. These leaks included cameras, battery, design and launch date. We will discuss all those leaks in this video, which will give us a clear picture about what we are going to expect for the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 device. Starting from the design, WinFuture has posted some images regarding the Note 20 initial design look. By looking at these images, one can clearly identify the large camera cutout on the back side. This massive camera bump will be similar to Galaxy S20 Ultra, and that is on the cards, and it will be expected to come with the same design, and we might see less design change in this year Note 20 series in terms of camera. These images also shows that the hardware button on the right side of the frame, and that design is quite familiar because we have seen that design in other Galaxy devices as well, except the Galaxy Note 10 where they have placed it on the left side of the device. Closer look of the images shows curved edges around the side of Galaxy Note 20 devices, and Note 20 devices has a model number of SM986U, which is found in Geekbench listing. According to Exynos Geekbench leak images, the processor is labeled as Corna, which is the internal name for Snapdragon processors. Exynos also gives us info that a new Snapdragon 865 Plus processor is expected to be seen in the upcoming Galaxy Note 20. And the reason for this, because Geekbench shows 3 GHz of a frequency, where the Snapdragon 865 has only 2 GHz of a frequency in terms of processing. Geekbench listing also shows us a single core score of 985, while multi-core score will be 3220. Closer look also shows Android 10 is going to be seen in upcoming Galaxy Note 20 series. The phone is listed to be an 8GB RAM support, and I believe that the RAM which is present in the Geekbench listing is going to be for the base variant. We expect that the other variants will have a higher RAM inside. Also note, earlier benchmark scores are not the accurate representation of how the phone will perform. Changes and optimization in the phone can change that score. Also, there are rumors that we might see under display camera sensor on the front of Galaxy Note series. If that happens, it would be the world first phone which will have an under display camera sensor present inside. Already we know that Xiaomi and Oppo has presented their concept phone which have under display camera sensor present inside. Moving on, Galaxy Club has shared the battery capacity leak for the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 device. According to them, the Galaxy Note 20 base variant has a capacity of 4000 mAh of a battery, and that is 500 more than the capacity which we have seen in the Galaxy Note 10. Lastly, it is going to be the launch date of the upcoming Galaxy Note 20, and according to MaxJ, who is a popular leakster for the Samsung Galaxy devices, says that the August is going to be the date when we will see both the Galaxy Fold 2 and Galaxy Note 20 device. Up till now, there is no delayed or changes of the unveiling date yet. More leaks are expected to come in near future. So these are the initial hints regarding the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 devices. Take these leaks as a pinch of salt. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.